Is the Amex Gold Card from American Express worth it? Should you keep it long term? I've had the Amex Gold Card for 6 months now, and I want to show you how much value I got from it so far, and if I'm keeping it long term. Spoiler alert, it is a fantastic card. Let me go through all the numbers with you. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. So let me start by pointing out the key benefits of the card and how I benefited from each of them. My wife is actually the one that got this card, not me, because I was working on being under 524, just wanted to get that out of the way. So the first benefit was getting 50,000 points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months. Amex points are probably my favorite points currency to earn and redeem, so I value them at 2 cents per point, which gives the 50,000 points a value of $1,000, which is very conservative given the way I generally use my points, especially Amex points. For example, I just booked something using Amex points that gave me a value of over 7 cents per point, which if we use that value for the 50,000 points, it'll make them worth $3,500, which is absolutely insane. A little hint about that redemption is apartment. Let's leave it at that. A lot more details about that will come this summer, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Also, like this video. It really helps me out with the algorithm and all that good stuff. Right now, the welcome bonus on the Amex Gold Card is 35,000 points, but you can easily find the 50,000 points offer if you go to American Express website in an incognito window on Chrome. The next benefit was a limited time offer, and it was the 20% back on dining purchases up to $100 back in the first 3 months of having the card. We got $94.24 as statement credits from this benefit alone, so we missed out on a little over $5, so it's not a big deal. Like I said though, this benefit is no longer there, but it's definitely not a deal breaker for getting the card or not getting it, since it's just a one-time thing anyway and not an ongoing benefit. The related ongoing benefit for dining is the $120 dining credit. The Amex Gold Card gives you up to $10 per month in statement credits when you use the card at eligible dining partners, including participating Shake Shack locations, the Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and Grubhub and Seamless delivery services. We order food through Seamless at least a couple of times a month, so this is perfect for us. So over the last 6 months, we got $60 back. This is money we would have spent anyway, so $120 a year in savings on our food delivery is awesome. Another credit that's almost as good as cash for us is the $100 yearly airline credit. And since this is a calendar year benefit and we applied for the card in December, we already got $200 worth of free American Airlines gift cards. Now I know that since then, the gift card loophole for American Airlines doesn't seem to be working, so we'll switch over to Delta starting next year, which has become our preferred airline now anyway. So if you haven't applied for the card yet and looking to pick it up soon, you'll have until December of 2019 to get $100 and another $100 starting January 2020. So you'll get $200 in value just from this benefit alone, covering most of the $250 annual fee. The Amex Gold Card earns an impressive 4 times points per dollar on US restaurants and US supermarkets on up to $25,000 per calendar year. It's a great bonus category, but it's annoying that it's restricted to the US only. So far, we spent $1,426 on supermarkets and restaurants using our Amex Gold Card, earning us 5,704 Amex points. At 2 cents per point, that's $114, which is equivalent to 8% return. Pretty solid value. The Amex Gold Card also earns 3 times points per dollar on airfare purchased directly with an airline or through amextravel.com. We haven't used this card on any airline purchases, since now I mostly use the City Prestige to earn 5 times points on airfare, plus the travel protection on the City Prestige card is way better than the Amex Gold. So now let's add up all the value I got from the card so far in the first 6 months. $200 for the airline credit, $60 for the dining credit, $94 from the 20% dining credit, $114 from the 4 times bonus categories, and at least $1,000 from the 50,000 points. Even though I already used the points for a value much higher, I'll still keep the value at 2 cents per point for this calculation. So total benefits in the first 6 months is $1,468. Take away the $250 annual fee, and I'm up by $1,218. That's amazing. Now, if I try to extrapolate that for the next 6 months, I can add another $60 from the dining credit and add another $114 from the points I can potentially earn from more dining and supermarket purchases, which will put me at just under $1,400 in net value for the first year of having the card. Not bad at all. Now let's take a look at this moving forward after the first year. The second year of having the Amex Gold Card will give me $120 in statement credits from the dining credit benefit, $100 back in airline credits, and if we assume about $4,000 in dining and supermarket spend at 4 times points per dollar, that'll earn me 16,000 Amex membership rewards points. Valued at 2 cents per point, that's $320 worth of points, at least. So totaling that up is $540, which makes me ahead of the $250 annual fee by $290. So in conclusion, the Gold Card from American Express, in my opinion, is well worth the $250 annual fee and is a keeper card in my book. When you factor in all the statement credits, the welcome bonus, the 4 times points categories, the many useful travel transfer partners, this card is a no-brainer. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Amex Gold Card. Do you have it? Do you plan to get it? Is it worth it for you? Put it all in the comments, and thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.